Did you know that the first high-level programming language was created in the 1950s? It was called Fortran, short for Formula Translation, designed for scientific and engineering calculations. Fortran allowed mathematicians and engineers to write code in a way that was more understandable than machine code. It's one of the oldest programming languages still in use today. Fun fact: it's been used to help NASA land astronauts on the moon, power weather simulations, and even run supercomputers. So, next time you run a simulation, remember, Fortran's legacy is still alive.